Iba naman daw ang pagkain, kaya subukan natin to. Inchik-inchik. Madami, puro pala Pilipino to. Happy Papa's Day. Oh. Seafood. Hindi ko pagpet. Kasi nga naman, nabuso. Ang daming tao. Puro Pilipino naman. Cookie Monster. Ito, salad. Yun, crab na malamig. Ito naman, Chinese seafood. Siyempre, bago tayo kumain, vlog na. Puro masarap. Hindi pa rin na-discover ang puto. Supsu. Tapos ito.
And you drop some
Masarap. Salmon.
Okay, come on, follow me.
Tapos bake.
Let me follow you.
Ano po? Saan mga kadami naman tayo dito. Mga baka mga din ang biyahe. Fried prito tilapia. Tapos meron din dessert. Basic dessert. Tsaka paluto. Sushi. Sushi. Meron din silang steak. Ito masarap. Steak. Walang pila. Ay, nako. Naulaan natin. Ito, tipong. Yung crab. Ito, masarap. Payat.
First meal.
Ay, nako. Hindi ka mo lang marunong magganyan. Sasha, are you hungry? You don't talk. Ay, nako.
Negative.
Bakit?
Just get a drink or go get my water from the car.
Ay, nako. Ayun ang sinasabi ko kaya mamalaki mo. Ang kukutong.
Malay ko. Oh, group na. Last picture. I can't take it or what you have to do it. I'm here.
Oh, Sasha. Do you know how?
Yeah.
Wait. Tapos ang layo-layo pa ng bread natin. 3 hours. Have you seen the Kaiser Day?
Yeah, nice.
There you go. Kala ko mag-groupie.
Picture mo rin kami dito.
This side.
So, papatingin ka dito mo.
Yeah.
I'm not in it, pa.
Pumasok ka.
Yeah, what kind of Dr. Pepper? I don't know. I asked you, can I drink water? They don't even clean. Look, they don't even clean. Madumi. Oh, ano yan? Patay or madumi? Hindi ko alam.
It says no sharing of trays.
Sino sa akin?
Kinakain pati yan, yung buto niya.
Yeah. Oh my god. We went to a buffet in South Korea, girl. Oh my god. Us three. And then my parents and I. Dude, there was like Mexican, American, Italian. Korean. Oh, no way. No, it felt like, yeah, everything was unique
I know.
and different. And then the robots of like the, yeah, it was nice. Like I just kept eating. I was like, wow, what a legend. And they like got this big like waffle and ice cream. I was like, wow. So there was a lady behind me.
Maybe we were in Texas, lucky we didn't go to the buffet.
Thank you. Said, kinain mo pa na yata yung cookie steak mo.
Sabi ko, early dinner. Early dinner pa kasi.
Dinner na.
Late dinner. Early, 4. Expect to 4.
Ang daming tubig, oh. Puro tubig. Alam na, nag-order na nga ng sa bagay. Ang sarap ah. May tubig pa.
Hindi mo order yung tubig.
Doon bawal yun.
Hindi ko na. She got it.
Bigyan mo yung isang tubig dito, crops na. Kaya kaya una ka, kasi nandiyan yung isip ko. Oo, may big tayo rito. Pero may bilhin na rin naman tayo. Malaking Marines, saka Navy.
Ano?
Sarap na. Tama na.
Daan, you're full?
Nag-food.
You're full? Hindi na ka kumain. So, because you already passed your hunger, that's why you're gonna eat.
Eat doon.
Yeah.
Can I get square?
Sabihin mo.
Can you go home?
Pag mabango, hindi sa'yo. Pag mabaho, sa'yo.
Bago sa amin.
Where did you get that?
Sa,
Garahe?
yes, sa garage. Well, saan mo nilagay yung sa'yo? No.
We had one in the garage.
Which area?
So it was next to the other side of the wall where people garbage stuff.
Oh, okay. So I got that from the camping stuff. So maybe.
Did you see camping with the salon?
Yes.
I added you.
We have
Golf?
air mattress. We have one at a time. It's not transparent, that's brand new.
Remove yourself to
Yung kasama.
big water. Where did
All
you put-
salon.
Where did you put your...
Libertaran doon?
There was something in the
Yeah.
garage.
Ha?
Who's that?
Oh, sige, nandun lang kay Kuya.
Family, yeah.
Tita Bird.
His family's going, yeah.
I moved anything there.
Hindi pala sa Castic.
Okay.
Yeah. Ang layo-layo no? Mountain High?
Tawag sa beach.
Kuma, mal-mal dun. masarap nito yung alat.
Yeah, it's good.
Baka malimutan mo si Gretel. Natikpa mo yan.
You're supposed to go like this with your mouth.
Ay, naku.
You're going to it. No, I'm good. You're supposed to go like this.
Na-discover mo mga kape dito. Kain na kain na dito.
Hindi, doon na ako sa steak. Sa Golden Corral.
What happened?
Na Golden Corral. Pag steak, Golden Corral. Kumain kami doon ni Darwin.
Tulog pa kayo sa Darwin? Natulog kayo?
Kaya, sa hotel.
So I'm not going to lie.
Ano ba yung Philippines?
Where are you going? It's too hot.
O di wag.
Right. I'm gonna die.
We're going.
What happened
Bakit?
to Papa's 50th anniversary?
Nag-invite ka ba? Nag-invite ka ba?
Yeah.
Ah.
50th anniversary. Anong nangyari?
50th anniversary.
His birthday.
Steve.
Ma, did you plan Papa's birthday yet?
Yeah, next year.
Yeah, did you plan it yet?
Maybe, what did I say? June? April? What did I say?
March ako.
How are you going to the Philippines
June.
and me in the cruise exactly the same month?
One week lang yung
Wow.
Philippines 3 weeks.
Tasya.
You have to say it now so that you can save it for your work.
That's my last day of work.
I'm waiting for the...
You're retiring
for the
60?
4th of July.
Yes.
Wait,
That's
can
young.
I wanna play. I wanna play.
You wanna
What
play
are you
what?
playing?
I
plan?
wanna join.
Roast chicken.
I wanna
Duck.
go outside.
Maybe I'm just gonna get the Catalina Enchilada
Yeah, you did.
instead of the
Rivera?
Mexican Riviera.
No, you should get the Mexican Rivera. I've never been.
The 7 day, 7 nights.
So?
Wala ka pang bakasyon nun.
So? I don't need vacation. I'll quit my job right now. Watch me.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm free in July.
And I'll be living in Alagasino by myself. I'm homeless.
Put a flying job.
Wait, I'm free in July.
I thought June tayo.
Yeah, I'm free June and July.
Yung school. Siya yung school.
No, not in June.
I don't need to work anymore because I'm working.
Go to school.
Yeah, only 5 Saturdays.
Yeah. I wanted to do it, but she told me no.
Why?
Hindi mo naman kailangan yun.
So I still want to try it. I have it in my pocket. Is it good?
Somebody die? Well, 911.
So you work at the hospital and you get the blood, you get the specimen and everything.
Yeah, so you can be in Kaiser and much more benefits. You have free insurance, health insurance.
When we go home, I'll do a video and then I'll see if it
Yeah.
Wait, I wanna be there. I'm home.
Ah, siya.
You know what? You can also search in EDD. Because yung friend ko, si Lia, yung naman si Lia.
Sige.
Si Lia yung maliit. Bagong Dre.
Oh.
Mom, it smells good.
Natanggal
Like mango.
natanggal siya sa trabaho.
Mango.
Natanggal siya sa trabaho. Sa EDD,
What is